welcome back to my channel. So today is finally the Republic of Texas. We went to check-ins last night. They're saying they're going to be done with NPC prejudging by 11 a.m. But it's like 10 a.m. and I'm getting notifications that they're not even, I think they're halfway done right now. So we're about to head over there though, just to be there early, just in case. Just finished my makeup and my tan. It looks really bright right now in this lighting. Here's the suit and my tan. And I got my hair darker this time. And curls this time. My posing coach said she liked curls better, so that's what we're doing. And I guess I will see you guys at the venue. My sister, wherever she is going to be filming for me everything she can. Nobody can go backstage with me this time though. I could have paid $150 for somebody to go back there, but that's just not really worth it. So yeah, see how it goes.
Thank you.
So we just finished prejudging like an hour ago, and this show, like I said earlier, is a big show, and I got first call outs in both of my classes, which I really didn't think it was going to be both. I placed in novice, which last year in novice I didn't place. Novice is always really big classes. Have I ever placed in novice? I don't know. But it was like a class of like 12 girls, I think, right?
I don't remember.
Like 10 to 12, and I placed what, somewhere like 3rd or 4th, I think.
Something like that.
But we don't know yet. And then open, after novice placing like 3rd or 4th, I was like, I'm probably not gonna place in open because that was another big class because it's a big show. And it was a class of 10 girls, I believe, open was. And I got first call outs in open as well. So yeah, we're just waiting for finals now. It'll be in like 3 hours or so. The show ran late. Like I told you guys this morning, they were not ever going to be done by 11 a.m. I don't know in what world they thought that could exist, but I didn't even go on until like 2, maybe?
Like 2:40.
2:40. We're just getting a drink. My coach said to have some vodka, so that's fun. And then we're just gonna go chill out, wait, charge our phones, because it's been a long day of sitting around playing on our phones. And hopefully go to finals, and hopefully it won't take as long so we can go eat.
Yeah, and get dessert.
And get dessert. We're gonna get voodoo donuts.
Will take home the title of champion tonight.
Without them back in the day and just helping them every single day get to that.
In victory, Dempsey. Thank you, Rachel. Rachel Dempsey.
Go Rachel!
In 77, Lexi Maitland. Let's give that third place award to number 113, Rachel Dempsey.
Go Rachel!
In second place,
I am now about a week, actually exactly a week and a half post-show, and I just wanted to wrap up this video. I finally got my stage footage and pictures back, so that's why I've waited so long to finish this video, because I wanted to make sure that just all got put in this video. Very end, I will insert my stage footage from my individual routine and some of the pictures, probably not all of them because there's like 30. The show was incredible. It was such a big show. My classes were both big classes. My novice class had 11 girls and open had 10. Open had 10 big classes, and I placed 3rd in both. That is my best placement ever. Before I started with my new coach, I would not have gotten that placing. I would have been like probably close to last place out of that. To place 3rd against that many girls and everybody looked so good is really awesome, especially at a pretty prestigious show, the most prestigious show I have done. My judges' feedback from Tyler Mannion, which you guys know I was excited to get in front of these Olympia judges. I did email Becky as well, but she hasn't gotten back to me yet. I don't know that she will. So if she does, I mean, maybe look out on Instagram for that, but I'd assume her feedback will be pretty much on par with Tyler's. But he said I have very nice structure for bikini, which is great to hear. I thought I might, just like looking at my pictures and stuff, but to hear it from literally the top of the NPC/IFBB, to be told you have good structure is awesome, because you kind of have to if you want to, you know, kind of climb the ranks. It just comes, you know, you just kind of have to fit the division at least a little bit naturally, like you're just how you're built. That is great because that means I have potential. He said more fullness just overall and keeping the same balance between upper and lower body. So when they say fullness, it can mean two things. It can mean like you just needed to fill out more with carbs or whatever, but that's not the case in this scenario. I do need more muscle, so that is the other thing it can mean, is just more muscle, more size, more density. I know I need that, so getting that feedback is really good feedback, because like I already knew that I needed to put on more size, but this is the first time I have not been told that I need to come in leaner. It's just building muscle we're going to do. So I'm going into probably like an 8 to 9 month off season to build that muscle, and my plan is to come back probably well, I definitely want to do this show again in July, but I'm thinking I will probably do a warm-up show where we are moving, just a small local show that wherever is closest to me, just to shake off the initial stage nerves, because after not being on stage for like 9 months, I mean, there's going to be some kind of nerves, even though I feel like I am just 100% comfortable on stage now. There's still going to be some nerves after taking that much time away from the stage. Probably do a warm-up show, and then I will come back at the Republic of Texas and go for hopefully first place in open, and hopefully go for the, well, we'll hopefully go for the overall, and maybe take it, because their overall winners get this beautiful sash, beautiful crown, and so if I can win an overall, that's where I want to do it. And potentially maybe do a national show later in the year of 2024, but I don't know. That's really far off, so I don't know if that will happen. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my journey. I feel so loved. All of your Instagram messages are so sweet and they don't go unnoticed. I'm super happy that I got to have my family at this show. And yeah, it was just a really great day and show and weekend overall. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!